Your Audi Q3 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. This battery powers all the remote functions of your key fob. To replace the battery, first locate the seam on the back of your key fob, usually near the key ring attachment point. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Gently insert the tool into the seam and pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to damage the internal clips or electronics. Apply even pressure and work around the edges if needed. For post-2020 Audi Q3 models, the fob design may be more integrated, but the opening process remains similar. Remember to avoid forcing the fob open, as this can cause permanent damage. Always apply even pressure and proceed with caution. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same way, ensuring it makes good contact with the positive side up. Then, firmly snap the two halves of the fob back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Audi Q3. If it doesn't work immediately, try synchronizing it with the car by holding the unlock button for 10 seconds. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most stores and online. Replacing it yourself saves money compared to dealership service, with DIY replacements costing only a few dollars.